Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto on Binance with credit card. First of all, open the Binance app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to the home page where all of the available cryptocurrency will be displayed. Now tap on the arrows icon at the bottom of your screen and select Buy. Here, a list will be displayed. Simply select the preferred crypto and then enter the amount. You can also change the currency by tapping on the arrow icon at the right side of the screen. Once done, enter the amount and tap on Buy. After that, tap on the Pay embed beneath the card button and you will ask to enter your card details. Once done, confirm the details, refresh the price, and then again tap on Confirm. After you have followed all of the previous steps, you will be redirected to this page. Now you just need to confirm your payment details and the crypto will be released. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.